In front of me is HUAWEI P60 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate App Cloner. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down to access Apps and Services. Then click on App Twin and click on the switcher next to one of your available apps that you wish to clone. In my case, Snapchat. So when I do that and go back, I can see that Snapchat app was successfully cloned. If you want to delete this clone, access exactly the same settings and tap on No Blue switcher next to it. Lastly, select Close in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!